Ready to level up? Today, we're conquering 10 fruits and vegetables. How many can you guess? Let's go. What is this? Apple. Both are red and round. What is this? Banana. Both are long and yellow. What is this? Grape. Small, round, and purple. What is this? Strawberry. Both are red and have seeds. What is this? Orange. It's bigger than a tangerine. What is this? Watermelon. Both are giant and round. What is this? Melon. Both have a round, light shape. What is this? Peach. It has a fuzzy pink skin. What is this? Lemon. Yellow versus green. Sour family. What is this? Kiwi. Both are brown and oval. Level up, your English power is surging. Keep building your confidence. See you in the next flight.